Myself, Arvind Kumar Dubey, teacher of English in Government Girls High Secondary School, Nonggaon, Chhatarpur, MP. Students, today I am going to teach you active and passive voice. So, what is active voice in a sentence? Where subject is active is called subject is active and object is inactive. It is called active voice. For example, I took tea. Passive voice in a sentence where object is active and subject is inactive, it is called passive voice. Example, tea was taken by me or tea was taken also. So today I will teach you past indefinite tense. So see on board, this heading will be active and passive voice. Passive voice. First one, affirmative sentence. Affirmative sentence. A. Here I have taken A symbol for active voice, P for passive voice. Subject plus V2 plus object. Here see V2, second form of the verb. Second form of the verb. Structure of active voice, subject, V2, second form of the verb, then object and your full stop also. P for passive voice, P stands for passive voice, object. In passive voice, object comes first, then either was or were according to pronoun. As we know, in active voice, helping verb is used according to subject, but in passive voice, helping verb is used according to object. O plus HV plus V3. Here V3, third form of the verb, third form of the verb, or past participle. Past participle. V3, then other word, then preposition and subject and full stop. So, active agents such as pupil, people, proper pronunciation, someone, anyone, anybody are not retained in passive voice. I am taking one example of active agent. Someone killed the tiger. Someone killed the tiger. This is example of active voice. Now we have to change this sentence into passive voice. Here object, the tiger, helping verb according to object was, third form of the verb killed. Need not to write someone. The tiger was killed. So you can frame many sentences like this. Example is, I taught English. Passive voice, English was taught or English was taught by me. You can write. Number 2, negative sentences. Negative sentences. As we know, in negative sentences, not is used after the helping verb. In active voice, past tense of did, didn't will come, but in passive voice, was not or were not is used according to pronoun. So see on board, structure for active voice, subject plus did plus not. Shortened form of did not, didn't. Then here V1. You have to remember here first form of the verb will come did not plus V1 plus object. Here P for passive voice. Object plus helping verb was oblique verb. Then in negative sentence not. Then V3 other word preposition and subject and full stop. Now example. She did not attend the party. She did not attend the party. You have to frame in this structure. The party is object here. See all of you. The party here according to was object was not wasn't also attended by her. So the party was not attended by her passive voice. Third, interrogative sentences in passive voice only who is used into by whom and other question word when, why, where require no change. Interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence of your active voice. First one, question word, then helping verb, did, then subject, then V1, then object, and in interrogative sentences, question mark must be used. Passive voice, here, question word, by whom. If there is who will change into by whom because who is subjective case and whom is objective case of who. Question word, then helping verb, was oblique verb, object, V3, other word, preposition and subject and question mark. So see one example, board. Who did this? Question. This is example of active voice, passive voice. Who will change into by whom, then by whom was object here, this, do, did, done. Another example you can take, active voice, did she write a message? Did she write a message? So, in passive voice, here A for active voice, P for passive voice, was according to a message, was a message, then V3 write, wrote, written. Here V1 write, V2 wrote, V3 written. Was a message written by her. And here Question mark. Fourth, interrogative negative. Interrogative negative sentence. Negative sentence. As we know, in interrogative negative sentence is not is used after the subject here in active voice. Subject plus not. This point you must remember. And in passive voice, object plus not. Here you have to remember. This point is very important for you, and no problem then. Example is active voice. Did she not attend the class? Did she not attend the class? Here she subject plus not. So passive voice, was the class not? Object then not. Was the class not attended by her? Then question mark. So today I have taught you past indefinite tense. Thanks. See you tomorrow.